Hello and welcome back. Now, I had mentioned that Microsoft Excel has a number of different functions, over hundreds of them, and we will obviously not be able to go through every one of them in this course because it's just a course that is designed to acquaint you with all the features inside of Microsoft Excel. But still, there are some important functions that I wanted to show you, and some of them will be showed in this lecture. The major ones that I want to show you in this lecture are maximum, minimum, and average. Now, anytime you want to insert a function in Microsoft Excel, you can do that manually by typing in the formula, or also you can do that over here. For example, if you look at the total here, we used a formula to get this total right here. But other than that, we have another option, which is to go over here, and you have all these options that says sum, average, count numbers, max, and minimum. Now you can use either that, or you can use the formulas that are designed to get you all those values, right? So when we go for a maximum value, what it does is it will look at all these values, except for the total, because the total will always be the largest value. And it will look at all these values and it will give you the maximum, the highest value. So that's what the maximum function does. Now, if you want to insert this function manually, you can type in the formula. And if you don't know a specific formula, what you can do is just go here and then choose the insert equation or insert function, okay? So insert function, go to the formulas tab and choose insert function, and it will show you the list of all the functions that are available in Microsoft Excel. Now, if I want to search for a specific function, I can just go and type maximum and press go. And it will try and search and give me whatever function is available. Now it just went off like that because I typed in a little bit too much. That's not what I intended to do. Okay, now we're back. So we have all these functions here. So instead of maximum, let me just type max and press go. And I have max, which returns the largest value in a set of values and ignores logical values and text. So that's the maximum function that we're looking for. And similarly, there's a minimum function. There's also an average function. There's also a count function, which gives you the number of elements in that specific row or column. So right now we're going to use the maximum function. For that, I'll just go here and type equal to max off, and then I'll choose the range of values that I want to include. And then if I press enter, you can see that the maximum value in this list is 600. Now if I change any one of these values, let's say to 758.6, and then change it, you can see that the maximum value changed. And also everything gets updated. The total gets updated, the total in the horizontal rows, it will also get updated all by itself. So Excel will update it depending on the values that you change. Now for the minimum value, you guessed it, it's equal to minimum off, and then you can drag the values, which is the way I prefer to do it because it's the easiest. And also you have the average. For that is equal to average off all this, and then it will give you the average. Now if you want to fill it up on the other side, just go here, just go do this, and it will autofill every value that you want. And then if you want a count of numbers, let's just say count equal to count, and then count all this, and it will give you 6 because there are 6 columns here, 6 rows here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it gives you the value 6. And if I go here, if I take something out, let's say I take this thing out, backspace, now I deleted that. And if I go like this, I don't think I included the total earlier, so I'll just press Control C to bring that back up, and I'll take this one out, backspace. Now if I go and autofill this, you can see that there is 6 except for over here because there's no value over here, so it's 5. Yeah, okay, so that's how the count function works. Try all this out and be back for the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.